Welcome to Go To Product. Today, I bring you a comparison of the top 5 welders on Amazon, and I'll share my personal opinion on each. Want to know which one is the best? Follow along and find out. At the end of the video, you'll see the final ranking with scores for each model. In the video description, you'll find purchase links if you're interested in any of these welders. Let's get started. The first, Best MIG 135A, is a powerhouse of a welding machine, delivering a true 135 amp output that easily handles materials up to 1/8 inch thick. This versatile 3-in-1 unit supports MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding, making it a perfect choice for a variety of applications. Unlike many competitors, it comes fully loaded with essential accessories, including a ground clamp, electrode holder, welding gun, and even a user-friendly auto-darkening welding helmet that can convert into goggles, along with high-quality leather gloves for added safety and comfort. Designed with beginners in mind, it features smart digital technology that automatically adjusts parameters based on your settings, allowing for an effortless setup. Just load the wire spool, connect the gun, plug it in, and start welding without the hassle of gas configurations. Compatible with gasless flux cord MIG wire from 0.030 to 0.040 inches, this welder tackles stainless steel, carbon steel, and thicker metal projects with ease, making it ideal for home workshops, DIY enthusiasts, and even professional factory use. With cutting-edge digital controls, an intuitive full-color LED display, and advanced wire feeding technology that fine-tunes voltage and feed speed, this machine ensures smooth operation, minimal spatter, and cleaner welds, all while making welding an absolute breeze. The second, Yes Welder, is a true multitasking beast, combining 5 powerful welding functions in one sleek and efficient machine. Whether you need gas MIG, flux core MIG, spool gun MIG, lift TIG, or stick welding, this welder has got you covered, offering a full 30 to 205 amps of smooth, stable performance thanks to its advanced IGBT inverter technology. Its bright digital display makes operation incredibly easy, providing crystal-clear visuals for precise adjustments, while the smart synergic control system automatically tweaks voltage and wire feeding speed based on your chosen amperage or material thickness, so you get optimal results every time. If aluminum welding is on your to-do list, the machine is fully compatible with a spool gun, minimizing wire travel distance for greater precision and efficiency. Safety is also a top priority, with built-in protection against overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating, allowing you to weld with confidence and peace of mind. Whether you are working on home projects, automotive repairs, or professional jobs, this welder delivers power, reliability, and versatility, making it an essential tool for anyone who loves to create, build, and fix with precision. The third, Hi-Zone 135A, is a compact yet powerful welding machine that packs a serious punch with its 135 amp output, allowing you to weld materials up to 5/32 of an inch thick with ease. This versatile 3-in-1 welder supports gasless MIG, stick, and lift TIG welding, making it the perfect companion for everything from home DIY projects to outdoor repairs, farming equipment maintenance, and even roadwork fixes. Thanks to its smart synergy control, the machine automatically adjusts voltage to match wire feeding speed, ensuring smooth and precise welding without the hassle of constant manual tweaking. Despite its impressive power, it remains incredibly portable, weighing just over 10 pounds and featuring an ergonomic handle along with a convenient shoulder strap, so you can take it anywhere without breaking a sweat. Unlike many competitors, it comes fully loaded with essential accessories, including flux cord wire, a 10-foot MIG torch, a ground clamp, an electrode holder, conductive nozzles, contact tips, a brush and hammer, and, of course, the shoulder strap for effortless transport. Whether you are a beginner looking for an easy-to-use machine or a seasoned welder in need of a reliable mobile solution, this welder delivers power, convenience, and efficiency all in one sleek package. The fourth, Hone Stick, is a game-changer, offering upgraded performance with an improved duty cycle, now running at 40% for both 110 and 220 volts, ensuring longer welding sessions with fewer breaks. Powered by advanced digital IGBT inverter technology, it delivers a stable arc, deeper penetration, and consistent welding current, making it easier than ever to achieve smooth, professional-looking beads, even at lower currents. Designed to handle a variety of rods, including AWS E6013, E7018, and E6011 from 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch, it even works with E6010 cellulose electrodes, allowing you to weld mild steel, carbon steel, stainless steel, and cast iron with precision. Safety is a top priority, featuring an anti-stick function for easy electrode removal and multiple built-in protections against overheating, overcurrent, overvoltage, undervoltage, and short circuits, ensuring a worry-free welding experience. With its intuitive digital display and trouble indicator, adjusting settings is effortless, making this welder perfect for both beginners and seasoned professionals alike, regardless of skill level or experience. Its lightweight and compact design, combined with a comfortable carrying handle, allows for easy transport and storage, so you can take it wherever the job calls. And if you ever run into issues, Hone has got your back with dedicated customer support ready to assist within 24 hours. The fifth, Azuno 135, is designed to make welding a breeze for both beginners and experienced welders alike, thanks to its intuitive synergic control system that automatically adjusts the voltage, amperage, and wire feeding speed based on precise data. This takes the guesswork out of the equation, allowing for smoother, more efficient welds every time. With the ability to perform MMA, lift TIG, and flux MIG welding, this machine is truly versatile, perfect for a wide range of projects, although the lift TIG torch is sold separately. It handles flux core wire sizes of 0.030 inches and 0.035 inches, and is capable of welding mild steel up to 3 mm thick, making it a powerhouse for both light-duty and medium-duty work. Safety is always a priority with the Azuno 135, which comes equipped with an overload and overheating protection system to ensure safe operation no matter what. With its compatibility for arc mode and the E6013 welding rod, this machine covers all the bases for your welding needs, all while keeping things simple, efficient, and safe. Whether you're working on small repairs or tackling more demanding jobs, this welder offers the perfect balance of power, ease of use, and reliability. And now that we have described each product, let's see for which case each one is a good option. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss any new release. The Best MIG 135A is a powerful 3-in-1 welder with MIG, lift TIG, and stick capabilities, offering excellent control and versatility. It comes with helpful accessories, including an auto-darkening helmet. Positive, great for beginners and pros, with easy setup and strong performance. Negative, its size and weight make it less portable. I give it 5 stars. Yes, Welder MIG 205DS Pro features 5 functions, including gas MIG, flux core MIG, and lift TIG, making it perfect for various projects. It has a user-friendly digital display and stable power. Positive, versatile and high-quality performance. Negative, spool gun for aluminum welding is sold separately. I give it 4 stars. Hyzone 135A is a 3-in-1 welder with gasless MIG, stick, and lift TIG capabilities. Its synergy control and portable design make it easy to use. Positive, lightweight and simple to operate for beginners. Negative, lacks advanced features found in higher-end models. I give it 5 stars. Hone Stick Welder features advanced IGBT technology, smooth arcs, and improved duty cycles. It's compact, easy to use, and portable. Positive, great safety features and easy for both novices and pros. Negative, lift TIG torch is sold separately. I give it 5 stars. Azuno 135 is a versatile welder with automatic voltage and wire speed adjustments, capable of welding up to 3 mm thick materials. It includes safety features like overload protection. Positive, easy to use and good for beginners. Negative, lift TIG torch not included. I give it 5 stars. And that's it for the comparison of the top 5 welders. See you in the next video. Goodbye.